Earphonic is an innovative company founded in 2023, focusing on designing, manufacturing, and selling high-quality walkie-talkie microphones and headsets. The products comply with ROSH CE FCC certification and provide OEM/ODM services. With its excellent craftsmanship, advanced technology, and excellent quality, it has won wide acclaim and trust worldwide. Our mission is to provide customers with reliable and efficient communication solutions to achieve better connection and collaboration in various environments. We firmly believe that stable communication is the cornerstone of success, and our products will play a key role in achieving this goal. The company adheres to the spirit of continuous innovation in the field of walkie-talkie microphones and headsets. Our product design combines advanced technology, humanized user experience, and durable materials to ensure excellent performance in various working environments. Whether it is on construction sites, emergency rescue, logistics and transportation, or other professional fields, Earphonic products can stably and reliably keep communication smooth. The company regards quality as the lifeline of the enterprise. Strictly implement the ISO 9001 quality management system and adopt strict quality control measures to ensure that each product is carefully manufactured and tested to meet or even exceed customer expectations. Our products not only have excellent performance, but also stand the test of time and extreme conditions.